Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys enjoyed the wrap from last video, if you haven't seen it, go see that first, man, then come back here. What are you doing here? See the process. Don't eat the cream first and then eat the cake. Eat the cake and then the cream. So today we're gonna install my carbon fiber hood. I don't know if you guys seen it behind me. Bam! Hi. And I'm tired of walking by this thing and being super careful because I don't want it to fall, and it's very expensive. It's annoying. I don't know how it would look with the carbon fiber because I have forged carbon on the car, so I may have to buy some more forged carbon and wrap that forged carbon. I bought a carbon fiber hood, I have to rewrap it. What in the hell is this? This is treason. That's how you install it. Then you leave, it flops up, hits, breaks, then you get another one. This is how carbon fiber people do. You know? So the style is the Type J hood. That is the style. Bam! I mean, just look at it. Looks amazing. Golly, this is my first time having carbon fiber, like real carbon fiber, so excuse me if I'm a little enthused, you know what I'm saying? This is like, now let me bring you guys in. I mean, just look at it. Ooh. Like, I know how it's like dark, and then it goes like lighter here. Like, that is so cool. Jesus. Carbon nude here, carbon nude, but this looks amazing. Let me just take my breath real quick, because that was sketchy. That was sketchy. I didn't even know that it didn't bring the hole to freaking hold it up. Really? They can't freaking drill a hole? So this is the setup right here. I just need to find my socket. I don't know where in the world did I put it. So I had it on the other side. I was like, oh, hold up. I don't want to put it here. I want to put it somewhere else so it doesn't hit the hood or the windshield. And I don't remember where I put it. Has that ever happened to you guys, that you can't find your ratchet and you was just using it? Like, what is this? All right, so I found my ratchet. You wouldn't believe like where it was. Let me show you guys. This is just baffling my head. It was here, like this, under this, like this, like you can't even see the. I'm like, wait a minute. And then I move this. It's like, how in the world did that get there? Really? I was just using this thing. So I got the hood to close right here. Look at it. It looks all good.